Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex for analyzing the major currency pairs as well as miners. Apart from that, Bitcoin, gold, silver, crude. So before we get into this week analysis using Elliott wave theory, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line what I have written. And finally, I am not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans. Explaining here. Let's move on to DXY, and this is our regular watch list what we are doing every week. So starts from DXY. So once again I will check my record. Yeah, it's good. So let's start with DXY. So last week what I said is this could be a wave 1, wave 2, 3. So I'm expecting the wave 4, or this could be a B, C, means this could be a one of diagonal wave formation. This is my previous wave count. So this is 1, what I had written it as a 1 or A. So this could be a ABC, so 2 or B. So if it is a C wave, it could be a diagonal wave formation. That is why it could be A, B, C as a 1, and A, B and C as a 2. I'm looking for this area, but it's already broken this high. So that means only the two options is here is either it could be a fourth wave, could be a regular flat, irregular flat, or this the fourth wave is already ended here and fifth wave is also ended here, means 1 2 3 4 5 1 1 5 impulsive wave is completed. After that I'm expecting a ABC. So whether the two possibilities here is, I will show you. The one possibility is still I'm in my hometown, so I will be reach in my desk on next week itself. So that will be a voice clarity in my system. So this is I'm using as a laptop. So this is the third week and apologies for this because of there is no clear voice, and because of that laptop fan sound behind my voice also. So from the next week I will be in my desk, so don't worry about that. Next week from itself the voice will be clear, little bit clear than this. So the first possibility is either the third wave is got ended here, A, B, C. So I'm expecting for the fourth wave as an irregular flat. Otherwise the fourth wave is already ended here and the fifth wave is already dead. So one cycle A, B. Now I'm looking for A, B and C. So whether it could bounce from here in the zone of 90.8 zone here, it could be a wave 1 because we are looking for the C wave or the third wave. So here is the end of the B. So C contains a 5-way structure. So 1 is completed, and the second or this is a third wave. This could be an intermediate wave 1 and 2. So this is the first possibility. So the second possibility is whether this could be a wave internal wave 4 is a irregular flat formation in that running flat, and one more wave to the high is also possible. So once this 5-way structure is completed, in either case I am looking for the 3-wave corrections A, B, C. So whether this could be this much retracement or this it could be 38.2 retracement, that we will see on later onwards. So the two possibilities I have already shown you here. So what is the next possibility? So the next possibility is whether if it is a third wave or the C wave, the continuation, this could be a B, C as a 1 in the diagonal formation for that C wave. So once this is the wave 1, means this could be, if it is an irregular flat formation, what we have looking for here we are looking for the wave 4, or this could be, if it is a diagonal pattern, this could be A, B, C as a 2 also. So once what we are looking for this zone may or may not, what I'm trying to say is may or may not. This has a two possibilities I have already presented you. So this is the third possibility. So whether if it is A, B, C as a 1, A, B, C as a 2. So next A, B, C, and it will keep on climbing to the bull side. So it will shoot from here itself without making this. So in the previous two options we are looking for this downtrend for the 90.8, the major support zone. The next option is, out of three options, two options is to the downside and the one option is for the diagonal pattern. It can go up to this zone, sorry, it will make it as a diagonal pattern and it will keep climbing to that bullish scenario. So that could be a bigger one. So it will reach up to 98 or 99 like that. So first of all, what I'm trying to say, this week would be a little bit correction part I'm looking for this week. So next, Euro USD. So in Euro USD, let's see here, once the wave 3rd, 4th and 5th is already ended, or we are in the 4th wave, same as per the DXY is inverted, or if it is A, B, C and we are looking for that in the ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2. So anyway, whether it could be a running flat or it could be an expanded flat, and again ABC, the 3rd wave, would be to the downside. So anyway, in either conditions I am looking only for that bullish. So if it is comes like this to this zone nearly 1.2, again I will again short, I will add my positions another here. So I already booked my profit on yesterday. Here it's once if it broken, I already booked the profit, expecting this as a 5th wave is ended, or it could be an that 4th wave or running flat, or it could be a diagonal pattern, means ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, and then again. So in either conditions, again I will enter here for partially, and if it comes here also I will enter again 1.2090. so that we will see in this coming week. And GBP USD also same, what I had already predicted the market, it's already did. I'm looking for this zone 1.3675, but it already got rejected in this 1.725 zone. So anyway, it's a valid for the to the 5th way to complete. I'm looking for the bigger ABC. Either it could be a 50% retracement for this swing, nearly 1.4 approximately, and then to the downside. So here it's a or 1. Now the 5 waves is completed here. So wave 1 or A. So looking for that B or that second wave. So next we will move on to the Australian dollar. So that is also, say, what I had did here is, this could be a the 5-way structure, A, B, C as a B, and looking for that C wave to complete here in the 5-way structure, and it looks like impulsive wave, what I said in that last week. And I have already shared my view also in all Telegram as well as Trading View and in my Facebook pages also. But what it did here, it looks like a 5-way structure now. So what we have to do is, this could be the completion of the B also. So then what we have to do is again A, B, C as a A, B, C is a B, or it could be W, X, A, B, C, Y is already completed. So this is what I'm explaining from the lot of times here. See, once it looks like a 5-way structure, but if you enter in the 1 hour chart, you will clearly see there is a little bit confusion here. This make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed here, but this portion could be a WX, A, B and C. So this could be the Y of completion of B wave or second wave here. So now it did a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So whether it is going, see my view is that positional view is to the downside, but what we predicted is that in the short term time frame of a 1 hour or 4 hour, it's looking like it could be do anything. That is all, everything is possible here. So whether we are going to if it is comes to here, again we need to short either conditions. So expecting this wave, no need to buy. So I had several times I have here I said like this one, expecting this drawing, what I have written as a green color for the bullish, don't be in buy side. My target is to the below 6.9. So if it reaches here, you need to be in sell side only, expecting this, don't to be in buy side. See here the price action, according to the price action I keep on changing. See whether if it is price, it didn't break this, if it is keep moving to the higher side, this count is valid. But if it invalid, it's again, it's already broken the high low, means this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5 ways become A here. So what is meant by this? This is also what we counted as a 5-way structure is now converted into B or 2. So this will be a C wave, or it could be a W, A, B and C. So whether this could be a ABC as a 1 and ABC as a 2 now coming in the 3-way structure, or either it could be a B, C is a W and X is coming. So anyway, from here after the 3-way structure, if it reaches the 7.7, we need to be in sell side. So the same thing in New Zealand dollar, it didn't break the previous low. So here this is still valid now. This wave is still valid. So whether this is making as a, so this is B and C is a 5-way structure. So at that time Australian dollar also making the bounce and DXY also losing his strength. So then there is a corrections. So this count is still valid here, but in Australian dollar is invalidated the previous count. But what I said here is that is still valid in Australian dollar. From here it could make another 3-way structures. So this could be ABC as a 1 or ABC is a W, and now we are in the X or that ABC as a 2. So either this is possible, that same New Zealand dollar didn't break this low, so that is still valid for that 5-way structures to complete as an X as a irregular flat, running flat. If it is goes above this high also, that will consider as an expanded flat. So next we can move to the USD CAD. So as per nothing is changed here, whether this is A, so B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to break again this low, it's also possible. Or this is the end of, see, you just go through my previous video, I have explained this clearly. The blue wave count is different and this red wave count is different. So if it is again breaking this, that will consider as an higher high. So still it is in 4 hours, it's making in the 1 hour it's making higher high. So now it is didn't make a lower low. So if it comes here and break this low, so this is also a valid. So anyway, whether it is going to make a bullish from here if it reached in this zone, otherwise if it is break down in the 5-way structure, so this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if it is breaks this again this low, that is also considered and that is also valid in a different pattern. I have explained the last week, you just go through that. I don't want to waste the time here. So I'm looking still valid. If it breaks, and it could bounce from here also, otherwise it could make a 5-way structures for the C way to the downside, nearly 1.9, 1.19 and then again bounce. So in either conditions I am looking for only bounce for the positional view, not for the shorter term. So next we will move on to USD CHF and USD JPY. So here same, what I said, making this as a stop loss, just go for that long positional view. So there is no wave count here for me. So here it's a two options I got. It's already broken this low. So whether this is a 5-way structures in a new, means after that one 3-way structures, whether it could be a simple or it could be a complex corrections, and again it can shoot. So whether this A, B and C, if it didn't break the high, still there is a lot of chances for making another low to break this. So that is one option. So the another option is, it could, there is no one more low, it can shoot from here itself. After this is the 5-way structure, means after the 3-way structures, so that could be, this is the A, this is the B, and one more 1 2 3, so it will continue for that 1. So 1.000 is my target, so it can continue like that also. And see, there is a lot of possibilities here I can explain, but you don't want to confuse you. So here the first option is either this B is ended here beyond that C wave. So that is one option. So second option is whether it could make a, without making this high, so another low can also possible to break this, not to break this. So this is my positional invalid bullish count. This is my invalidation zone. So it can do like this, and again it can go above the high. So this is the second. So what is the third? Means it can do a irregular flat also. So it can go above the high and making this as a irregular flat of running flat, and then it can go to the higher also, because it is a B wave. So B wave can be whatever, it could be a triangle also. So if it is a little bit more consolidation, this could be a triangle also. So A, B, C, D, E, and then it can shoot. So in the B wave there is a lot of possibilities. So you can move, just watch this. If you have any opportunity to confirmation, to you can add this, making this as a stop loss. So next we will move on to USD JPY. So USD JPY, same, there is no change in my view. So it is already did that 1.272, so still it is valid for that wave here. One second, sorry. So the wave 1 is completed here, or whether this could be a wave second, or this could be a B and C for the irregular flat, or this could be a W, X, A, B, C. So either, see, what I have already did is, if it didn't break the high, there is a lot of chances for making a irregular flat formation, and it's already broken the high, so it is an irregular flat formation for wave 1. Here is a wave 2. And one more I need to show you here is in that 4-hour chart. If you look behind the chart, this thing, what I marked this as A, because I took it this as an leading diagonal formation, but several times I have already explained this. If we can make it this as a W also. So here if we make it this as a W, because this is a B, C is a B, C is a B, and A, B, C is a W, X. So this could be a Y also in that A, B, or this could be a B, C is a B, C is a B. So C could be a 1, 2. So this is a 3, 4, and 5. So we can do it whatever it is, still the positional view is in bullish. So whether this is a W or A, this is a W, this is a X or B. So what I did is, either we need to be in 5-way structure for A or 1 and B or 2. So here it is overlapping, lot of overlapping, and it is in that valid for the 1272 for the making irregular flat formation. So let's wait for this to make a confirmation. But my target is what I said the previous week also, 118.5. But before that I need to the wave need to break this 118.75. so whether, see, look at this, this is, if this is a W, this is a X, so this could be a means B could be an irregular flat formation in expanded or running flat, and C can shoot again for what I have targeted this as a 118.71 to break. Otherwise, if it is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, means the third, fourth and fifth, that in the wedge formation, like that kind of formation can do to make this. But in either conditions I am looking only for that bullish. First of all, it didn't break the high at the previous high to complete the, whether if it is a ABC also. So in this is high of 111.71 here, yeah, 111.71, and here it's 111.65 is the high. So it's still we have a target nearly 114 to 115 for that shorter time. So let's wait for this, whether it is making a regular flat formation or whether it be A or B. So we have to wait for the B or second wave, maybe a irregular flat formation as a running, and the daily it is an outside bullish, sorry, outside bearish, yeah, outside bearish engulfed here. So let's wait for that. Either it's a short term or three-way structures it can do, or this kind of wave formation it can form here. So in that DXY I'm looking to lose the strength for coming week. So, and what else next is AUD JPY. So AUD JPY, the fourth wave is in triangle, or X wave is a triangle. So we need a Z wave to complete in ABC formation. So whether this could be a or 1, and we are in that A wave of 5-way structure, or this could be a B. So still we are in the B wave only, making this as a stop loss. You can trade inside the in that 1 hour or 4 hour chart. So this is looks like a little bit that impulsive way to the downside. So once this is ABC, and it looks like one more after this, one more low can also to break this. But if it breaks this, that will be a little bit question for me, and I need to look for that another bigger correction is happening. So now this is my invalidation point for that bullish swing for I think it's 90 from the previous resistance. The daily chart what we already discussed about in the last week. Yeah, this is my target. Yeah, 89.5 to 90, within this zone I am expecting. So here I think you can understand here the X is completed in that running flat, in that B is a triangle, so C is already did, and that X is a running flat. So now A, B, C, the three-way structure I am expecting. So whether the A is 5-way structure is completed here, or the 5-way structure it's making is A. So that we need to watch for this, because see here it's a B, C, like that A contains a 5-way structure. So here also it can do like this, or if it is a this could be a B, and C can shoot also. So either into A contains a 5-way structure, or this is the end of the A. So the B has to end, and after that C can shoot it for that 89.5. Otherwise the A will go to 5-way structures, so that is the completion of the A. After that the B-way structure, and then again C to the target of 89.5. So next is CAD JPY. So CAD JPY also I am looking this 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3, so 4 is whether it is making the 5th way is already started, or this is in making a triangle, or it could make a irregular flat formation, and then again it can show. So understand this, whether the fourth wave is already ended, we are on the fifth wave. For the target of 92 to 93 I am expecting, so for the 5 wave structures to complete that fifth wave. Otherwise still we are in the fourth wave in the formation of irregular flat. So because if it is a irregular flat means it's already dead in a simple correction. So again if it is a deeper correction means it can again do without making to break this high. Again it one more way is also it can break this low and again it can shoot. So in either conditions, in all the possibilities, I am looking to target it has to break this, the previous high. So my target is the previous high was, it's a 91.18, 91.18, yeah. So it has to break this in a 5-way structures. So it's a it can complete up to 92 also for the 5-way structures. So this is my view in CAD JPY. And New Zealand CAD, it is still struggling to bounce. So it is keep railing here in the same pattern. What I have looking for, it's already broken this channel, the bearish wedge formation channel, the upper trend line, but still whether this is the end of the trend or it is still one more way to the downside is also possible. How means, one second, I will explain here. See, this is a ABC or 1, or this is could be a 1 impulsive wave. So second wave, so this is whether it's a 5-way structure for the third wave, or this could be also a diagonal formation of ABC as a 3. So if it is a ABC as a 3, this could be an ABC as a 4. So this could be A, B and C. So one more low is also possible. Or on either side, whether this is the end of the fourth wave, it could be this could be a end of the A wave also. So again I am looking only for that. So in either in any possibilities, if it is making one more low also, I am expecting the 3-way structures to the upper side. But expecting this 3-way structures don't need to be in buy side. For the shorter term you can go for buy, but the stop loss is very crucial to place the stop loss, because if it is in B wave it can be an irregular flat formation and it will hit your stop loss and again it can bounce for the C wave. So I will only sell if it reached in this zone. So I'm expecting to enter in this trade. So if I got an entry anything, I will inform you in my pages or TradingView Facebook or Telegram channel. I will keep updating my entry point here. So anyway I'm looking only for the shorter term bounce in a 3-way structures. Once the 3-way structures got completed in a simple wave, or if it is in a complex correction, we need to enter as a partial and wait for the another complex correction to complete in the B wave, and again I am looking for the C wave to the downside to break this 8015. So next we can move for the Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand, still we are in the correction, in the running flat kind of corrections. So previous what I said, this could be a WX ABC is a WX ABC, and again what it did, I told you right, this is not looking like on a 3-way structure. So it's not, sorry, it is looking like a 3-way structure, it's not looking like a impulsive wave. So what I did is one more way to the downside as an irregular flat is also possible. So now this could be a W, so A, B and C. So once this Y is completed in a running flat formation, or if it is an expanded flat, if it is an Y way is completed, I am looking for the 3-way structure to the upper side. So whether this is a B, C as a W, or this could be A, B, C is A, or this could be a B or a X. So C or Y way to the upper side is possible. So next, once again we will check our watch list. Yeah, New Zealand CAD, USD CHF, Euro New Zealand. So now we are moving for that US30. Once again. My network is a little bit problem, I think so. It's not connected. Once again. Once again, be on. Yeah. Yeah, it's connected now. Sorry for the interruption. So now US30. I think US30 is in on yeah. See, this is what I said. We are in that fourth wave. Here it's like exactly it did ABC as per my view. It's already bounced. So this is looking like an impulsive way to the upper side. So from here I will show you in that 4-hour chart. Here it's looking like an impulsive. So this could be A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So C is completed, or 1, 2, 3, so 4 and 5. So here it's a neutral wave count. This all what I'm doing is we can count in any kind of wave counts. So we have to wait for this, whether it is A, B, C is a W, X, A and B in that three-way structure, and again C can go above this high. After this it's A, B, C and A, B, C. So like that it can do. So first of all, what we have to understand here is we need to be in buy side, but from here, not here. So here, if you having the positions, you need to be in sell side. You have to book the profit now, because at least if you need to hold the position till the target, what I said for the previous target is 36 or 37, like that, you need to be very patient making this as a stop loss. So that is not an I won't do like this, because the market what it gives, we need to book at least the 25% of 30% what we holding. So we don't know whether this is the end of the fourth wave, we are in the fifth wave, or still fourth wave can play in that formation of irregular flat, or it's a bigger triangle. Because one simple, if we took this as A, B, C, this could be end of the fourth wave and we are on the fifth wave. Or whether this is A, so we are on the B wave, and then again one more three-way structure C. So it will took more time, more than 3 months also here for the fourth wave in the formation of a triangle. Otherwise it can do an irregular flat. After the three-way structures, it can make it can go above the high and make a one more three-way structures, and after that that could be end of the fourth wave, and then again it can bounce. So in either I am looking only for that bullish, but we have to wait for the entry in buy side, not here. So wait for this in the three-way structure, make this as a stop loss, just go for that. Otherwise, if this is a X wave and again one more A, B, C, it can retest this zone also. It can retest this 32.5 also. So if this is the end of the X wave, the continuation pattern for the complex correction. So A, B, C is a W, this could be X, A, B, C, or it could go above the high also to trap the retailer traders in the buy. After that, one more three-way structures, whether that could be an expanding flat if it breaks this. Otherwise, if it didn't break and again it can bounce from here, that is also a running flat only if it breaks the high. Until that, there is a lot of options to break the low also for the complex correction in the continuation pattern of W, X, A, B, C and Y, and again it can bounce from here also. So be in buy side to the target of 36 to 37,000, but not here. There is no opportunity to enter the trade here in buy side. So let's move on to Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin, I already booked the profit. What I explained the last week, I said I entered at 31,000. So I booked at the 35,600. 1 second. Yeah, here I said from here I already take the positions last week while before the streaming this video, and I'm keep on counting this wave count, and once it break this high at 600 I exit my position, because we didn't know whether this could be A, B, C, and again it can come to the downside is also possible, or if it breaks the high only, that will consider as a one more way to the upper side for my target of 40,000. So still I'm keep on watching this. I am looking for one more way to the downside. From here also it can come like this, and after this it can go back also. So only I am looking for this, making this as a stop loss or this as a stop loss, and need to be an entry in buy only if it comes in this zone, not here. I'm not trying to buy here also, because it's looking like a 5-way structure here, 1 2 3 4 5. So another 3-way structures are high, and after this it can do like the 5-way structures for making the zigzag correction. So at that time this is an what I had said here is a 3-way structure. Once again I will delete this. Yeah, so now either one 3-way correction is got over. So either this could be a running flat here, it's an expanding flat I expected. So here it's a one impulsive wave 5-way structure. I am looking for the 3-way structure. So once it can go back here for 35,525, and or from here also it can go, but not to break this. First of all, not to break this, and second thing is not to break this. So in either two stop loss you can choose one, but my stop is, if I entered here I will place the stop loss only here, the previous low. So that is the invalidation for because we took it this as an impulsive wave from here. So this is the end of the one simple correction. It can be break this and again bounce. So this is my view. That is why I keep stop loss in that only perfect invalidation, not to strict stop loss. We consider this as a B and C. So it could be ABC is A. So this could be a 3-way structure, and again this impulsive wave. So this could be ABC, C, and if it is a W, A, B, C, X, it has to break this low. So in either what are the possibilities means, this is my invalidation point. I will be in B on buy side only, not in sell side. If it reaches here also I won't be in sell side. I will wait, look for this how it is doing here. So I will be, if it comes here, making this as a stop loss, and I will be in buy side only here, because I told several times, right, that this could be a 1 2 3 4 and 5 also, because it's already broken the low. We are, what we thinking here is it could be an irregular flat formation, but this could be end of in the diagonal formation 1 2 3 4, and this could be the 5-way structure also, because 1, so 2 3 4 and 5. So it's already broken. So this could be an ending diagonal also. So we don't here, the 4th wave 1, yeah, it is, I think it's not ending diagonal, but in this ABC is a W, X, ABC. So this could be end of the diagonal pattern here. ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3, ABC is a 4. So here in the formation of W, X, Y formation to complete the pattern. So I'm only looking for the buy, but with the stop loss of this one, 29,200 is a stop loss. So let's move on to gold. So gold, I'm just thinking it's a, what I expected is 1940 or 1935, right? So what I said is whether this could be 3rd, 4th, and the 5th is already ended here means here, what I expected here is this could be a fourth wave, and last week what I suggested and I have already posted, this could be a triangle. So fifth wave can go up to here. So this is the end of the third wave. Or A, B, C is a W. That is why my plan. And I had observed this and I have explained that also in the 1 hour chart, or yeah, 1 hour chart. I will explain here. It's looking like a 5-way structure here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is a chances this could be the end of the third also here. This could be the end of the third. So this is the end of the fourth. So and here now it is got the invalid for the W. So now I am looking and I will delete all those things. Now this could be the end of the fourth wave here. This as a triangle, and here is the fourth wave is already completed. 1, 4, yes. So this could be a 1. So now one more in the 4-hour chart, whether this is a W, this is the X. So wave 1 or wave A. So A in the double bracketed with the blue color. So for this, if it is a W, this is the connecting wave. So this could be a after the 3-way structure for the B, and we are looking for that C wave to reach my target of 1475. So that is the only one options, and now I am looking because here it's already did a 5-wave structure. I will all hide my things, my waveform. This is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, these are all the third wave. So fourth wave is in triangle and fifth wave is also ended here. That is my view in this pattern. And one more is a major thing is it can be one more low, and again it can be a 3-way structure also. It's also possible because if this wave 4 is so it's not a triangle, it's looking like an, if it is an irregular flat formation. So this could be the end what I have suggested in that I have predicted the 1735 at 1740. This also have a chances for making one more low. So this could be an irregular flat formation of the wave 4, and 5 can go below this for my what I expected for the 1735 to 1740. Otherwise this is the end of the fourth, and we are looking for that 3-way structures to reach the 1865. So 1860, and again one more wave 5-way structures to the downside is also possible. So the silver, here also same, the 5-way structure is got completed and it's already broken the low here and again bounced. So this is also looking like a 5-way structure here. So whether this could be a leading diagonal of A and B and C, one more 3-way structures to the downside for the B, and C can go above the 27.3 also. After that, this is a ABC is a A, ABC is a B, ABC is a C. So this could be a W, A, X, A, B and C. So let's wait for this to complete the pattern here, but be on sell side. In my view it is in sell side only, but once the wave formation it's got completed, then only we can a little bit make the short stop loss, strict stop loss, and then entry for that in sell side. So there is no trade for me here. So I think one more thing is US oil. So US oil, same, I have a lot of wave count. I have explained the last week, still beyond 1, 2, 3. So this is the fourth wave and fifth wave. Or one more option is whether, because here it looks like a 5-way structure is got completed. Otherwise, if this is the wave 4, so this is the end of the wave 3rd, so it could be another one more 3-way structures for the 4th, and one more way to the high is also possible. But still I'm expecting to the $77, but the previous resistance is nearby 76 point. Here the previous high is 77 point, once again, yeah, 76.44, 76.88 is the high. Yeah, so I'm nearby. It can go above this high also, and again it may fall. So there is no sell option here for me, but if you are waiting for that sell, you just go for sell, and no need to place a stop loss in my view, because 1 2 3 is completed and 4 is in triangle and fifth way is yet to complete, so it may complete soon. So if you looking like in this daily chart, see here, it's a 1 2 3 4 5 is completed here. So for this one, this is a second, this is a third, this is a fourth and fifth. So for this one, this is the 2, this is the end of the third, and after the 4 it can go back to the high. And what I said here is one more option is whether this is the 1 2 3 4 is an expanding ending diagonal. There is a lot of chances if it is an ending diagonal, but see once again, if it is an expanding ending diagonal, look at this. This is the, see, expanding, or the fifth way is an extension also. The wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, right? So up to the wave 3, as per my the fifth wave got extended. The third wave, the rejections fourth wave, we are exactly at here. We already crossed that 1618. That is why we got rejected, and again it bounced back. So for me it looks like in a nearly that below that within this what, that 200 percentage, whether that 2%, it can be, this is 1.618, right? So like that it can be around 200% and fib retracements. Again it can fell aggressively also if it is an expanded ending diagonal pattern. So still I'm having the 2 counts, but I'm not looking for sell here, and I'm not, there is no trade for me here until it is in for me it's to get a clear path. See, everything it is looking like a 3-way structures only. Here it's somewhat we have to accept this could be an 1 2, so this is the 3 4 and 5, so this could be a end of that one, and this is the 5-way structure. Again it is looking like a 3-way structure. So if we took it this as a 4th wave, this is the end of the 5th wave of internal intermediate wave, that's the biggest 3. So one more wave to the downside, it's also possible for the 4th wave, but I am expecting to bounce, so nearly for that $77. So let's wait for that. So I hope you enjoyed my analysis using Elliott waves. So don't follow me, just you can have to educate yourself, and my wave count and my video help you a lot to learn Elliott waves, not for trading. So you hope enjoyed my video. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next week in my desk, little bit clear voice. So thanks for, and have a profitable week to everybody, and we will see you in the next week in my desk. Have a nice day, have a nice weekend too.